Let's talk about proper dishwasher location. If you are right-handed, it belongs on the left. Why? You pick up a dish or a plate to scrub it with your left hand, it's right here. However, if you're left-handed, it would typically go on this side, but not in this kitchen, because the walkway to where you rinse before the dishwasher would be blocked if that door were open. So what you have to consider when you're designing your kitchen, look at the dishwasher door opening. Make sure there's plenty of room, as we did, and that's why we pushed this island this way, so there's plenty of walk space to go through here as well.